Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable set time automatically on iPhone. So if your iPhone often set the time automatically and you need to set the time manually, then here's a video for you that will allow you to disable or turn off set time automatically on an iPhone. So if none of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off set time automatically on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and click on general. On the general page, scroll down the page, locate and click on date and time. Then on the date and time page, locate and disable set automatically. Once you disable set automatically, this will allow you to set your time manually on your iPhone. And you can now go ahead, change your date and then set your time. Once you're done, you can now hit the back button. So that is basically how to disable or turn off set time automatically on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.